Your mind will not stop. Same thought on a loop at 2 a.m. in traffic, in the shower. 3 ancient philosophies solved this problem thousands of years before therapy existed. Stoicism, Buddhism, Taoism. 3 different answers to the same question. How do you quiet the noise in your head? Stoicism starts with a brutal split. Some things are in your control. Everything else is not. Your thoughts, choices, effort, yours. Other people's opinions, traffic, the outcome of a job interview, never yours. The Stoics said suffering does not come from events. It comes from the story you tell yourself about them. A canceled meeting is not the problem. The panic you attach to it is. Marcus Aurelius practiced imagining the worst before it happened, not to fear it, but to remove its power. This is called premeditatio malorum, rehearsing loss so life's setbacks stop catching you off guard. Another Stoic trick, zoom out. Picture your problem from a mile above the earth. Suddenly the deadline, the argument, the embarrassment, it shrinks, because it always was small. Every night, the Stoics reviewed their day, not to judge themselves, but to notice the pattern. Stoicism does not remove the storm. It teaches you to stop being afraid of getting wet. Buddhism takes a different route. It says the problem is not your thoughts, it is your grip on them. Every thought that visits your mind is temporary. The anxiety, the anger, the spiral, none of it was built to stay. Buddhist teaching compares thoughts to clouds. They pass through the sky. The sky itself never changes. The goal is not to stop thinking. It is to stop believing every thought is you. That is the whole practice of meditation, watching a thought arrive and letting it leave without chasing it. Suffering, in Buddhist thought, comes from attachment, clinging to how things should be instead of how they are. Wanting the bad thought to leave immediately, that wanting is its own kind of suffering. So instead of fighting the thought, Buddhism teaches you to simply notice it and let it pass on its own. No grip, no chase, just space between you and the thought. That space is where the overthinking loop finally breaks. Taoism takes the gentlest approach of the 3. It does not fight the mind, it stops resisting it. The core idea is called wu-wei, effortless action, moving with life, instead of forcing your way through it. Water is Taoism's favorite teacher. It never forces its way anywhere, and yet it carves through solid stone. Overthinking is often just forcing, trying to control an outcome that was never going to bend to force. The Tao Te Ching says yield, and you overcome, bend, and you stay whole. A rigid tree snaps in the storm, a flexible one bends and survives. Taoism suggests the same is true of your mind. The more you force a thought to leave, the tighter it holds on. Instead, let the thought move like the river, always changing, never staying, never needing your permission. This is not passivity. It is precision, knowing exactly when to act and when to simply let things be. 3 paths. Control what is yours. Release your grip on thought. Flow instead of force. None of these philosophies are competing. They are 3 doors into the same room, a quiet mind. You do not need all 3. You need the one that finally makes the noise in your head go quiet. Pick one. Try it for a week. See which door opens first.